Oga, madam is cheating on you.
What?
Oh.
Are you mad?
What's that supposed to?
Are you okay?
What
does that mean?
Madam, I'm okay. You know what I'm saying. You're cheating on Oga.
Oh, shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. Don't say that kind of word again. Don't try it, okay? Are you mad? What do you mean I'm cheating on my husband? I'm very faithful, honey. You know me very well. I am faithful. I love you so much.
Baby,
with my heart.
Just calm down. Hello. I said, so what's the meaning of what you just said now?
Sir, what I just said now is that Madam has been...
Keep quiet.
Madam has been cheating on you.
Can you allow her to talk? Can you just explain to me what you mean by my wife has been cheating on me in my own house?
Sir, she knows exactly what I'm saying. Madam here has been cheating on you with different men, both short, tall, black.
Hey! Listen, you are talking to my wife.
Can you imagine?
My own wife. Can you prove what you're saying? Do you have evidence?
There is no proof.
Hey, wait.
There's no proof.
Wait.
I cannot be cheating on you. I love you. I love you so much, and you know that.
Just come down. You love me. Can you prove what you're saying?
There is no proof to this.
Can you prove it?
Oga, I'm just saying it because you're a nice person. I've been working in this house for a very long time, and I know how nice you've been in this house.
Hey, listen to me.
And Madam is not reciprocating what you're doing to her. All she knows how to do is to spend your money on different men. Madam, allow me to talk. You know what I'm saying? Your wife here has been cheating on you with different men.
It is not true. All these things that she's saying now is a very big lie.
Madam.
It's not true. I know myself very well. I don't cheat on you. I can never cheat on you.
Meredith! Are you cheating on me?
Baby?
Simple question. Yes or no?
Shut up your mouth. Baby?
Are you cheating on me?
I can't possibly do that.
Okay. She says she's not cheating on you.
I am not cheating on my husband. I love my husband so much. Now get out. Go back to your workplace. Go and do your chores.
Okay,
inside.
I don't mind losing my job, but I'm here to save my Oga.
Go and do your job.
I'm here to save my Oga.
No. Don't go. Go
Get up there. Get up there.
Hey! You rats, what are you doing? Hey, son. Hey, look at me! What are you doing in my house? Meredith, who is this? Speak on. Who is this?
He's a plumber guy.
He's a plumber guy. A plumber guy. Plumbing you. Plumbing your toothbrush and everything about you. Plumbing you, right? A plumber guy, Meredith. Hey, come here. Come here! What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I'm a plumber guy.
You are plumbing my wife.
No, I came to fix the toilet.
You came to, okay, the toilet is now plumbing. Now listen to me. So you have the effrontery to enter my house, my own house. Touching my wife in every angle.
Your husband now. I came here to do.
I'm gonna shut off.
Oga, he's not a plumber guy, yo. He's one of those men Madam is cheating on you with.
So as young as you are, you don't want to be useful for yourself. You refuse to be useful for your entire generation. You're following married women. No, you are following married women. Oh yes. No wonder you don't want to be useful for your life. As young as you are, look at your head. Look at you! Bigger head! You cannot achieve anything. You're following my wife. Forgetting that this woman is a married woman. Look at your BS. Look at the way you are looking.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
If I should handle you if I should handle you over to the police now, they will say that I'm very wicked.
Take him to Kirikiri, boss. Take him to Kirikiri.
I'm sorry.
Stop and leave my house. Hey, come here. The next time I see you here around this house, I will not only cut off your neck, I will make sure I did this thing under your two legs.
No, come again.
This thing that is looking like rats. I will cut it off. This is it. Now get out. Get out! Hey! Open the door for that idiot. Get out now! Open the door. Get out. Fool. Come.
Let me just follow him. Let me just go. I don't want you.
Meredith.
Let me just go.
In fact, follow him. Because we are out of this house. and never you return back.
Okay? You want to send your wife away?
I'm sending her away because she's a fool. Oh yes! Because I'm very, very disappointed. I'm highly disappointed in you. I thought you love me.
I love you. I love you so much. You can't even imagine. I
Oh,
love you.
Listen to me. I'll not chase you away. But I will deny you access going out in this house. You will be in this house for complete 1 month without going out. Give me your phone. Get out of the phone.
Okay, this one is better.
You will not even touch any mobile phone. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
You will not touch any mobile phone in this house. You will not go out in this house. Whatever you wanted, tell her.
Yes.
She will give it to you. Now go upstairs. Get out! You are forming cheating. No, you have learned cheating from social media. You have learned how to cheat your husband with somebody that has big head, very tiny and black. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are a good servant. I will reward you for this. You are a faithful servant.
I did not mean to spoil your
No.
It's just that what she's doing has been paining me,
It's
so
okay.
I decided to let it out today.
I understand. It's okay. It's okay. Just take the drink back. Eh?
Okay, you're no longer drinking.
No, I'm not. Just whatever she needed, just give to her.
As long as
I don't want to see her out.
Anytime she tries to leave, I will call you.
No problem.
This thing is too much.
What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? What kind of trouble is this? You will use your own money and go to village and marry them. They will come here messing up around. What kind of rubbish is this?